Hey everybody, welcome back to Middle American Outdoors. Been here with my Iowa crew. It's December 12th. It's opening day of the second season for shotgun. And today we're taking my boy Wyatt here. This will be the last season I get to hunt with him before he goes off on his own and starts adulting. So we're gonna go out, and I asked him last night, I said, what do you wanna, you after a buck or doe or what? He says, I just want to shoot a deer. So if it's a mature deer, we're probably gonna put it down right away this morning. Hopefully we see something. It's really cold. It's 30 degrees. It was like 70 yesterday or so. And we've got a couple inches of snow on the ground. So we're layered up and getting out the puffy coat. And we're gonna go sit in the blind this morning because there's still a chance of precipitation. So I definitely want to film this hunt. So came in through the property here late last night and didn't see any deer out on the field, so we're hoping they come out this morning. The water sources around here are starting to freeze up, and we have running water here close to where we're going to be sitting, so hopefully we catch some passing through, going after the food source, or we're headed for water this morning. It's really cold, so the bow hunter in me isn't going to enjoy this a whole lot, but since I got my man Wyatt here, we'll make the most of it. We might have to cuddle Wyatt to stay warm. No, we're layered up good, and we're gonna get out there and see what we can see. Wish us luck.
Ready, Wyatt? Alright. 5 more minutes, you can legally. Just make sure you can see it really good if you do. Sure. Okay. Let's see what you got. Keep going. Hey, whoa. Give me the other one to the right. One to the right. One to the right. Take your time. Right next to the other one. Got plenty of time. Hold on, there's more coming. Hold on. Take your time. Two more coming. Which one? Probably the one on the far right. There's more coming. There might be a buck might come out. See the one standing right side, shoot that one. Right in the middle. Right there. Just a second. She's got her butt towards us right now. What? The one that's got her butt towards us right now. Just wait till she turns. The one on the far left? No, the second one over. Wait till she turns broadside. Take your time. Just wait a minute. is loud, ain't it?
A little bit. Can you hear this here? Can you hear this here?
And they weren't hanging around, were they?
No, they weren't.
Get ready to check out. We'll give it a few minutes here. We'll walk up there and see what we find.
Oh, did you see the gun shaking when I was trying to shoot?
Oh, yeah. We'll play the video back. See what it looks like. I think you got a good hit on her. Check here in a minute.
God, my left ear's still ringing.
Yeah, this lip twitch is loud.
I'm surprised those deer stuck around that one after that shot, though.
Well, they didn't know what was going on. Good job, buddy.
Hopefully.
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 Beautiful Iowa. Snow. Cold.
Sounds like cool.
Coming out the alfalfa. They didn't feed all night. Brian and I have had quite the history deer hunting and hunting in general. First time I ever took him deer hunting. I'll let you tell the story.
Okay, so he's bad with directions. And
He's a bad interpreter.
I was 12.
14.
No, 12. Yeah, I was 12.
Okay, he was 12.
And we are, what, about 80 yards out, something like that, first time I shot.
The first one?
Yeah.
Oh, it was maybe 40.
Or was it? And he tells me, was it? Did you say 2 inches above?
No, the first one.
Yeah, the first shot told me like 2
No,
inches.
the first deer.
Oh, first one. Yeah,
He don't like telling this.
you want to tell it?
Yeah, I'll tell you.
You're better stories than I am.
So when he was 12, he was kind of a chubby kid.
Slam chubby kid.
You know, you're just a big kid. Anyhow, when he was 12, we set up on this really tall ridge, and there's a little bowl below us. And the deer is on some public ground, but it's kind of a secluded, way back in the middle of nowhere, and nobody ever hunted it. It was an area where I grew up. I used to hunt it a lot, and so I knew the deer would be coming in there once the Orange Army started pushing through the river bottom. Shortly after daylight, is probably about 8:30. Had a nice little 8-point come in, about 40 yards. And Wyatt had seen him. I said, "All right, there he is, buddy. Just put it right on him." And we're laying on the ground on our stomachs because we were shooting down into a. There's no backdrops. We just buried ourselves in the grass. I said, "Dad, I can't see it. Dad, I can't see it." I was like, deer was starting to get nervous. I said, "Man, you gotta shoot him. He's gonna bail. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him." Boom, he shoots. He was way off. I said, "Man, what the heck?" His dad couldn't see him. I said, "Oh, what the heck was you shooting? What'd you shoot for?" He said, "You told me to shoot, Dad, so I shot." I said, "Well, but you gotta be able to see what you're shooting at." And so it was, oh, geez, I missed him by about 10 foot. So we went and hunted some other places. And there was an old dried up pond back on this property that, another secluded spot, kind of a little refuge. I knew the deer would be in there midday, and of course it was Nebraska, so peak of the rut, and then bucks would push these does back in that pond. So we started sneaking back there. Sure enough, there was a buck on a doe, and he was standing out wide open back in this wheat field. And so I had Wyatt sneak up, and he sneaks up on it, and I told him I stayed back because I didn't want to, I wanted to be his stock and his shot. And I said, and he was quite a ways out there. I said, "Just aim about 2 inches high." And he sneaks up there. Boom, he shoots. Deer didn't even move. Boom, he shoots again, shoots over him. Boom, he shoots it again. Boom, he shoots again. He was out of ammo. So he crawled back to me. We ran to the truck, got more ammo, come back. I said, and by the time we got back, that buck had bedded down. We couldn't really see him. I said, "We'll sneak in there closer and just put it right on him." And on our way in there, the doe busted us, and they blew out the backside. He got a shot at him, taking off out of there, but we missed him. And this last spring, we went out turkey hunting. But me and Wyatt have a disdain for these turkeys out here. Opening day of turkey season was just like today, but with a lot more snow. We got to our blind and the top was caved in and one of the poles was broke and trees were breaking all around us. We probably shouldn't even have been out, but gosh, you know, when they're in school, you only have so many days to hunt. And so we hunted our butts off that season, this spring, didn't we? We had it
every day.
Never did get one, but
We saw one.
We seen a lot, but never got close enough.
You know, you had that one that was in the tree toe.
Yeah, we stayed in tree toe around the stand. Gee, at Christmas, it was late in the day, and we're walking out, and I was doing a video, kind of doing a little interview as we're walking through the trees. I'm like, Dad, is that a turkey? Right up in the tree, and right on the trail walking out, there's a turkey, Jake up in a tree. They're thinking sat there all morning. Oh, Wyatt just shot a nice doe, so we're gonna walk. Snow's still coming down. This is crazy. It was supposed to stop by now, but I'll take it. I love it. My season is just about to start now that Wyatt shot his deer, so we're gonna go out and hopefully he got a good shot on it. We'll hopefully doing a recovery video here pretty quick, so we're gonna shut her down for now. We'll wait a few more minutes, and meanwhile, I'm gonna sit here and poke fun at Wyatt for all our fun hunts and stuff. We'll probably talk about college and life, and like I said, this is Wyatt's last deer season before he goes off on his own. So I'm gonna try to enjoy it as much as I can and make the most of it. Take him out. I think Dad can show him how it's really done. No, this has been a lot of fun. I love this kid to death. He's a good kid, so hopefully we got a deer to. He's gonna have to drag it home. He's the big guy.
Because you're crippled.
Yeah, I'm broke down and getting old. He's a power lifter, so go play some football next year for Dakota Wesleyan.
Yeah.
Okay, so we watched the video back. It looked like he made a good hit on it. Got up here where he hit her at. I don't see blood, but we got this snow, so we had two of them went straight north, and I'm pretty sure she went straight west with the rest of them. So we're gonna. He hit her about 20 yards here behind us. So I'll flip the camera around and show you where I think she went. So. Okay, so about right there's where they were standing, and two of them went that way. I think they look like two young bucks, but the rest of them run. You can see their tracks. They run right up through here. So, all right, let's just start following tracks. Okay. All right, we'll see if we can find some blood. Let's go ahead.
You want to go first?
Nope, you go first. It's your deer. What? What's that? What'd you do? Yeah. Drag her out of there. Get her out of there. Pull her up out of there. Man, she piled up. Roll her over there. Nice. Sure do. What a big old girl. Yeah, there with her.
Did you just tear my coveralls?
I had ripped something.
That's a big old girl. Heck yes. Nice doe. Well, she didn't bleed a drop till she got here. I mean, there was nothing. She didn't go far though. Man, she piled up there. Good job, buddy. Congratulations, that's your first deer. Took us 18 years to get you one. Nice shot on her. All right, buddy. High five. Come here. Give me a hug. Get up there. Get up there.
Oh, there's more.
Proud of you, buddy.
Thanks, Dad.
All right. It's officially yours. Now we gotta put it on her. First Iowa deer. First deer ever.
Yeah.
Congratulations, buddy. Proud of you. Good job. Now the work begins. Alright, since this was Wyatt's first boat or first kill, we gotta take a bite of the liver. Nope, nope.